toe downshift today. I'm gonna start doing more tutorial videos. A lot of people want to see like the drift tutorials and stuff like that, and I'm gonna get to it, but I figured I'll just do heel toe downshifting for now because, you know, it's something good to know. And you know, some of the ones I see online aren't as good when I watch YouTube videos and stuff, so I got a GoPro set down near my feet that hopefully is gonna pick up enough light for it to work. If not, I'll have to take it again. But we're just gonna get into it. A lot of it, when I was younger, I used to watch videos, and typically the way that they heel toe downshift is they put obviously your toes right on the brake, and you put your foot sideways, and you try to hit the gas with your heel. Now, sideways, and you try to hit the gas with your heel. Now, when I was younger, and it was like impossible for me to do. Every vehicle's different, so the pedals will be spaced out differently and everything, but it was way too hard for me to do that. I'd hit the side, I couldn't do it quick enough. And so the more research I did, and the more I did it myself, I realized that it's not necessarily heel and toe. It's kind of both sides of your feet. So on the GoPro down here, I'm gonna try to, I hope that's enough light. I'm just gonna demonstrate as I go, and then I'll try to explain it. It's pretty straightforward. A lot of it's just muscle memory. So I'm in fourth right now, and you know, it's useful if I'm coming up to a corner and I want to turn and slow down, but I'm not coming to a stop, but I need to downshift. I can brake and downshift at the same time. So get on the brakes as normal, press the clutch in, turn your foot a little bit, and let it out. As you're pressing onto the brake, you're just gonna lean your foot a little bit and roll it and flick the gas real quick so it brings up the RPMs, and then you let out the clutch at the same time so that it's a smooth downshift. Braking, downshift, braking more, downshift more. Braking, nice and smooth in the third. I'll do third and then second up here to the sharper corner. Braking, downshift, braking, downshift more. The better shoes you have, the easier it's gonna be. I'm wearing basically like slippers right now, so they're kind of soft. So my foot has to be right in the middle, otherwise it won't work. And I mean, that's slipper got stuck. That's primarily all it is. A lot of it is just muscle memory work and practicing with it and getting used to it. This car specifically was really challenging until I got used to it, but it's really all it is. And it goes with rev matching as well, which is basically setting the RPMs right where you think it's gonna meet nicely on the vehicle. For example, I'm gonna do it poorly. So I'm gonna heel toe downshift, but I'm not gonna rev match at all. I'm just gonna completely destroy it. So on the brake, and then, see what I mean? You don't have to do it that hard, or if I don't do it enough, the car does not like it. So you have to try to match up the RPMs right where you think the next gear would be below it. So usually it's only like 1,000 RPM difference, so you know, right now it's at 25, so it'll probably be between 3 and 35 to downshift. So yeah, see, it's about 3. rev matching, all that. But that's the easiest way that I learned how to do it. It's just kind of, you know, back and forth between each edge of your foot. It's not actually your heel. So if you feel bad that you can't get it and that that's like basically impossible, it's because it is. Some cars' pedals are really spread apart and you'd be able to do it. I've had a few vehicles where I can, but not many. So that's pretty much it. That's a lot of the pedal work. I'm gonna start having a camera down near my feet when I'm doing the drifting and such. You know, I kind of just did a little slide back there, but once I really get into it, I'll have more cameras down there so you guys can actually see. But that's pretty much it. It's all muscle memory. Just practice a bunch, get used to it, and it'll come natural to you. Alright guys, so I got the Right Foot Racing stickers in. Sorry that I look like I just went swimming. It's like 900 degrees here and it's 1,000 degrees inside of this car. But I got the stickers. We got black, white, and they peel off and they're clear beside it, so the white's kind of hard to see on the cover. And then the regular red that all of my lettering is on all of my social media and Instagram and everything, most common. Asking $8 a piece. I'm gonna put up a little picture, but the more you buy, the more you're gonna save on it, because I still have to pay for shipping and everything, so shipping costs a couple bucks, so the more you buy, the better it's gonna be. But we've already sold a few of them. I'm gonna actually order some more soon, because I think I got like 40 or 50 stickers. I didn't order too many, but I'm already actually starting to slim down a little bit because I didn't realize how many people were gonna want one. So gonna order some soon, so I'm not gonna run out. But if you guys are interested, just message me. You can message me on Facebook. I don't see it as often though. It's better to message me on Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, say something on YouTube. Even if you want to text on Facebook, just comment on a YouTube video, say that you messaged me, because I don't see the Facebook for some reason, it never alerts me. But yeah, if you guys want a sticker, just let me know. Also, another way to get a sticker, if you don't want to just buy one outright, is if you're a patron. I already sent out a few to some of the patrons we have, but if you're a $5 patron or $10 patron or whatever, you're automatically going to get a sticker, and I'll send it right to you right when you become a patron. And other than that, just I have Cash App, I've got Venmo and PayPal. If for some reason you don't have any of those, we can figure something out, so I wouldn't worry about it. Yeah, I'll see you guys next video.